How to create Twig account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can create a Twig account. So in order to create a Twig account, first thing first, you'll need to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. So after that, you need to type in Twig, and this is the particular application that we are looking for. So you need to click on the install button. So the installation process might take a while. Once the application is installed, click on the open button, and this is going to direct you to the official page of Twig. So now you'll be directed to the home page. So basically here you'll be able to see two different options, that is sign in or create an account. So if you're new to Twig, then click on new to Twig, which is right at the bottom, and now you'll be in with the registration process. Now that you've started with the registration process, you'll need to provide in your first and the last name. So type in your first and the last name. After that, click on the next button. You'll need to pick a username. After that, you'll also need to verify your phone number. For that, you need to first of all select the country's code, and after that enter in the phone number. Once you've done entering the phone number, click on send verification code. After that, a verification code will be sent to the following phone number, and you'll be asked to enter in the code. So after that, you'll need to complete the profile. Now depending on the services, you need to complete your profile by adding additional information such as your profile picture, bio, or other personal details. After that, read and accept the terms and conditions or user agreement of the services. Make sure you understand the policies. Once you've completed all the requirement steps, your account should be created. You may receive a confirmation message. After that, you've successfully created a Twig account, and then you can apply for a MasterCard after adding some amount. And once you've done that, you'll need to register for it. After applying for the MasterCard, you'll be receiving it by mail, and you'll need to wait patiently until you get your MasterCard. So that is basically how you can create a Twig account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.